Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable widgets on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open the PC that contains your Windows 11 to follow the tutorial steps with. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go and upgrade into Windows 11 for free and right now. Of course, you can even run the installation into the background of your PC if you want to use it in the meanwhile. Once the download finishes, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find your Windows 11 is installed and ready to use. Don't worry about the upgrade because it will not delete any files or app from your PC and it will just upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. Of course, if you have any issues or something, you'll have a recover point if you want to go back into your Windows 10. But I bet when you get used into Windows 11, you will even like it much better. Of course, just my opinion. And as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to disable the widgets on the Windows 11 taskbar. Of course, you will find this on your taskbar. So how can you disable it? The first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your settings. Of course, you open it however you want. Of course, there's the regular way you can just go and look for it. Or what I use is I'm using a shortcut which is a Windows I. Of course, it's on Windows 11. Once you press that Windows I, that will open your settings, and now you'd like to go into this personalization. If you click on it, you will have to click at this taskbar option. Now you would like to ignore all these three options and go into this taskbar items. If you have the widgets on, as you can see now, I will have it here on the taskbar. And as we said, we would like to disable it. So of course, make sure to just turn it off. And as you can see, you will not find it in your taskbar anymore, and you will be good to go. Of course, you can turn on or off other stuff if you want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.